How would I go over learning Linux in 2026? So basically, how would I do it? So let's start with the basics. So just first of all, guys, I'm not some kind of Linux master Shifu or however you want to call it, but I'm a guy that uses Linux. I love Linux. I also use it for my job, and I also want to improve and to use it every day. So my mainly interests are in cybersecurity, but yours can be anything. It doesn't have to be cybersecurity, it can be even as basic as IT. But yeah, who cares? So first of all, I want to talk about is the site Other the Wire. So for me personally, I have discovered these websites after a website named TryHackMe that we're going to talk. But I did use this website and I have just completed only Bandit. I completed full. But basically, what this site gives you, it gives you an opportunity to actually learn and use Linux commands to see what they are doing and how and what. And also because it's very popular, there is a lot of walkthroughs, and you can, if you're stuck, you can watch a video, you can learn, you can Google, and you will have answers easily. But this is considered a really beginner level, so if you're just someone who never touched Linux, that would be great. You can start here. I will provide the link. You can read here. Everything is explained in details. Don't worry. Just start. You will see it's easy and it's also fun. It was kind of fun, but if you're already someone who is not only starting, so it not that really fun. But if you're just starting, it's a good site. But mainly thing that I would recommend, even though if you're someone who is not interested in cybersecurity, I do think TryHackMe literally learns and shows you the best thing on how to use Linux. So they do actually have modules for learning Linux, but here, so they have here this module that I think everyone should actually just complete. It's literally easy and it's also fun. Again, I personally I love TryHackMe. I've been using it, if you want to see, for a very long time. Did a lot of rooms. That's not a lot, but I do love TryHackMe. I've been using it at least for 3 years. It's my go-to site for learning everything about cybersecurity and as well Linux. Me myself, I learned the most things from Linux from this website because again, I'm interested in cybersecurity and you will mostly use Linux there. So yeah, actually TryHackMe does the best that I really can recommend you guys. Complete the Linux modules, and if you actually like it, you can as well try more things. There is this actually module here, command line, that you can use to learn more, and you can actually just see there is a roadmap that they did. So they have the pre-security that it shows you what you're going to learn. So I also suggest you to actually maybe go through it. You see, you will learn Linux here, and as well you will learn network fundamentals, how the web works, and Windows fundamentals. You can actually complete this, and after that, decide if you are interested in more in cybersecurity or more in the IT way. That way you can decide if you are just considering what to pursue. And that that's basically it for this site. Another thing, there is the Pico CTF that a lot of people are recommending, but I generally don't like the way it is. I don't know why. I have tried it. I think it's just not for me. So I will put the link as well, so you can see it as well. You can even learn here, but mostly challenges is what interesting. So yeah, as you can see, like let's just say, I don't know, there's difficulties, and even here you will mostly do CTF things, but as you can see, they've categorized everything, so it's not that you can learn Linux easily. But if you're already someone who knows Linux, you can practice here on the things that you're most interesting. So there's people that who like reverse engineering, so you can actually try it here. So yeah, that's basically it for you. There's a lot of things here. So that will be actually not it. My best tip for you guys, if you're someone who is actually want to take it seriously, is to actually buy a VPS. A VPS nowadays doesn't cost a lot. You can even find it cheaper, but mostly I'm not sponsored. It's just that Hostinger got normal prices for me. So I've bought from them. It's not my first time using it. So I'm actually really serious. Just buy VPS. Like let's see right here, I have one my VPS. So you can actually practice things with it. You can make things, you can make projects, you can ruin it. You can literally delete things that you don't know what are they are. And everything is fine because you can actually just delete the VPS and make again. It doesn't cost money, and also what's good, you can select a lot of operating, I mean not operating systems, but distribution. So you can actually try Arch Linux, you can try Kali Linux, PertOS, Ubuntu, Debian. A lot of options there, and also what's good, there's a lot of applications as well. So if you're someone who wants to do specific projects, they can help you. Like there's a lot of gurus about self-hosted NEN. I don't care about that, but you can try that as well. So literally, my best advice would be to buy VPS and test things there, test commands, everything. Every video that I make, I do it on my VPS because why not? So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna put again the link for Roasting Air as well, if someone is actually interested. So you can go and buy yourself VPS and go ahead and try. So yeah, that would be basically, guys, how would I learn Linux in 2026? Go, use it, and become Mr. Robot, guys. Become Mr. Robot. See you guys.